Hello my dear student. Today in this video I am going to explain about the class 10 social science, the geography chapter 4 geography of Assam, and today's topic is economy of Assam industries. We have already come to know that Assam is rich in natural resources. In spite of plenty of natural resources, including valuable mineral resources, Assam is lagging behind in the industrial sector. Assam is still not successful in fostering the process of industrialization through proper utilization of the resources. Means in Assam, the resources are not utilized properly. So, Assam is still not successful in the process of industrialization. Presently, some schemes have been introduced for industrial development of the state. So, in order to execute these schemes, the Department of Industry and Commerce and Government of Assam and Assam Industrial Development Corporation are specially involved. At present, due emphasis has been given on the development of the small-scale industrial sector. In this sector, the employment-generating manufacturing and processing industries are taken into account. Means, presently, the people of Assam mainly they try to develop the small-scale industrial sector. Since 2009 to 10, the growth of these industries means the small scale industries and their contribution to the economy of the state started to increase. In this table, you can see the different industrial parks and centers which are recently set up in Assam. The government of Assam has undertaken some industrial schemes by announcing the state industrial policy in 2008. Presently, as many as 64 commercial and 50 industrial areas have been established in different districts of Assam under the central and state industrial policies. Two industrial growth centers are established at Balipara of Sunitpur district and Motia of Gwalpara district. Altogether, 9 integrated infrastructure development centers are set up at Silapathar Dhemaji, Dolgaon Dorong, Pathshala Borpeta, Malinibil Kachar, Dimo Sibsagar, Naltoli Bhumraguri Nagaon, Titabor Jorhat, Tihu Nalbari and Moran Dibrugarh. The government of Assam has announced the Industrial and Investment Policy Assam in 2014 for industrial development of the state. The principal aims of this industrial policy are: Number A, to increase the gross domestic product of the state by developing the manufacturing and service sectors along with various economic activities. Number B, to increase the per capita income and employment opportunities in the state, especially in the rural areas. Number C, to encourage and increase investment for the development of micro, small and medium industries. And number D, to create large number of skilled personnel. The industries of Assam can be broadly divided into 5 types. The number 1, mining industries. Number 2, handicraft industries. Number 3, agro-based industries. Then number 4, power industries, and number 5, service sector industries. In this table, you can see the major types of industries of Assam. Means first you see the different 5 types of industries and the other major industries which are included in these 5 industries. The next topic is agro-based industries. Varieties of food crops and cash crops are produced in Assam due to its climate and soils suitable for agriculture. There is immense scope for setting up different industries in Assam using the agricultural products as raw materials. Means the Assam's climate and soil is very suitable for agriculture, and we can use the different raw materials from the agricultural products and started different agro-based industries. The major agro-based industries of the state are forestry, tea industry, silk industry, rubber industry, food processing industry, and paper industry. Food processing industry is a major type of agro-based industry. Recently, this industry has gained importance and it is expected to put a positive impact on the state economy within a short period of time. The forests of Assam are full of various forest resources, and the industries like paper, plywoods, etc. have already grown up based on these forest resources. Also, the various types of fruits, vegetable plants and medicinal plants found in the forest of Assam. Silk industry is one of the major agro-based industries of the state. Traditionally, 3 kinds of silk are produced in Assam: Eri, Muga and Mulberry yarn. These 3 silk types have occupied unique position in Assamese culture and society. The Eri, Muga and Pat cloths prepared from this silk have received popularity not in India but also in different countries of the world. Rubber industry is another important agro-based industry of Assam. The Rubber Board of India has identified Assam as a most prospective state for rubber plantation based on its suitable climate. The Rubber Board of India has taken scheme to extend the rubber plantation area up to 2 lakh hectares by the end of the 12th five-year plan. Tea industry is the largest agro-based industry of the state. Assam has earned a good name in tea industry, not only in India but also in the world. This industry plays an important role in state economy. Assam alone produces more than half of the total tea production of India. Assam has a total of 165 tea estates and also 78,091 small tea gardens. A large number of people are now employed in tea industry. More than 6.86 lakhs people are engaged on daily average in the tea industry of Assam. Assam has earned the glory of producing above 50% of the total tea production of India during 2001 to 16, only excluding the year 2015. The next topic, fishery. Presently, fishery is gradually gaining importance in the economic sector of Assam. There is immense prospect for fishery development in the state. Assam is a state full of rivers and tributaries. Fishes are found in its rivers, wetlands, channels, water bodies, etc. Plenty of fishes are naturally available in the wetlands of the Barak and Brahmaputra plains and floodplains. Fish production can be increased by multiplying fish population in these wetlands through scientific method and plans. As per 2011 to 2012 data, there are 430 governmental registered wetlands in the state and 767 non-registered wetlands. During 2011 to 12, all total about 4,490 million fish seeds were produced from 3.94 lakh hectare of fishing ground, and in the same period 2.44 lakh tons of fishes were produced in the state. District-wise production pattern of fish seeds during 2011 to 12 reveals that Barpeta district is the highest producer of fish seeds in the state, and Karimganj and Nagaon district have attained the second and third position respectively. But the amount of fish produced in the state as well as imported from outside is not sufficient to meet the domestic demand. As a result, there is an annual deficit of 0.52 lakh tons of fish in the state. And so the price of satisfactory in of fish has increased more and more. The last topic, oil industry. Assam is rich in oil resources. First exploration of oil production in the state started in 1889 at Digboi. Digboi is the oldest oil field of India. When the oil fields of western India did not produce oil, the Digboi oil field then earned the pride of producing 3/4 of the total oil production of the country. After Digboi, Naharkotia oil field was explored and oil production started from 1954. The major oil fields are Rudrasagar, Lakua, Geleki, Borhula and Amguri. Presently, there are 4 oil refineries in Assam. These are Digboi Refinery, Guwahati Refinery, Bongaigaon Refinery and Numaligarh Refinery. Assam produced about 4.86 million gas metric tons of crude oil and 2,681 million cubic meter of natural in 2012 to 13. But these productions were somewhat less than that of the previous year, that is 2011 to 12. Okay, then what we learned today? First of all, we learned today about industries, the small scale industries, then governmental plans and schemes, and the principal aims of industrial policy. Then second one, industries of Assam can be divided into 5 types: the mining, handicraft, agro-based, power industries, and service sector industries. Then number 3, we learned about different agro-based industries. For example, forestry, tea industry, silk industry, rubber industry, food processing industry, etc. Then number 4, we learned about fishery, and last one, number 5, we learned about oil industry of Assam.